Selecting an embroidery pattern. Select a simple pattern built into your machine. Select your desired embroidery pattern and press set. You can move your pattern by dragging it. If you move it outside the embroidery display area, your embroidery frame size will change. Or you can use the move button and use the arrows indicated to move the pattern in the specific direction. You can magnify your pattern by pressing on the magnification button. Press 100% to return to the normal size. Press OK to return to the original screen. Press the preview button. An image of the pattern as it will be embroidered appears. Select the frame used in the preview. Frames displayed in light grey cannot be selected. Press the magnification to enlarge the image of the pattern. Press OK to return to the original screen. Press the size key to change the size of the pattern. Patterns can be enlarged or reduced. You can select the direction in which to change the size. Press OK to return to the original screen. You can rotate your pattern by pressing the rotate key. You can rotate a pattern 1 degree, 10 degrees, or 90 degrees at a time. You can select the angle of rotation for the pattern. You can press reset to return the pattern to its original position. Press OK to return to the original screen.
The thread palette key is to change the colors of the displayed pattern. The machine does not know what color thread you have threaded in the machine, so this is basically just for design and display purposes. You can also change the different colors of different sections of your design. Press the mirror image key to make a horizontal mirror image of the selected pattern.
You can press the add key to enter alphabet characters. Select the font you want to use to embroider. Type in the wording that you want to embroider. The characters you enter will be displayed in the upper part of the screen. Using the scrolling buttons, you can continue to the rest of the alphabet as well as lowercase and uppercase letters. You can choose the size of the font by selecting large, medium, or small. Press set when you're ready. The font will be displayed in the embroidery display screen. The select key is used to select between the font and the embroidery pattern. You can now edit your font on screen. The red frame will indicate which pattern is selected. Press the Edit End key to call up the frame layout screen. If you want to return to the editing screen after pressing Edit End, press the back button. Your embroidery pattern will now move as a whole. Starting point key. This is used to position and align the needle with the pattern position. This is also used to align linked characters. The left bottom will be the start position. The needle position moves to the bottom left corner of the pattern. The embroidery frame moves so that the needle is positioned correctly. Press the embroidery key to enter the embroidery screen. The press of foot key, amount of stitches to be embroidered, the time till completion, and the thread color counter. This indicates the first color that will be embroidered. There's an image on the right side of the machine that will indicate what part of the pattern will be embroidered in that color. You can press the automatic thread cutter button and adjust the thread tension. By pressing minus, you weaken the upper thread tension. By pressing the plus button, you tighten the upper thread tension. The automatic thread cutting function will cut the thread at the end of sewing each color. Settings on the machine, highlighted in black, is the Brother presets. If the thread breaks during sewing, press the Start/Stop button to stop the machine. If the upper thread is broken, redo the upper thread. Press this button and then move the needle back to the correct number of stitches before the area where the thread broke. If you cannot move back to the area where the thread broke, press the thread button to select a color and move to the beginning position of that color. This will show you the current stitch number. Press OK.